How to make invoices in iPhone. First up, go to the App Store and download the Numbers app. For that, search up Numbers and download it. It might take a few minutes for the app to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, open the app and click Continue, and on the top right, click on the plus button. On clicking the button, a bunch of templates will occur where under the business you can see the invoice template. You can then edit this template according to your preferences, and you can also see a bunch of options on the top. The first option will allow you to invite other collaborators to the same invoice. The second option will allow you to add in different kinds of infographics to your invoice. You can add in pie charts, bar graphs, and different kinds of icons as well. You also have an option to add in photos, videos, and audios. Once you are done editing your invoice, click on the top right option and you can see the export option in the drop down box. The export option will then allow you to export your invoice in accordance to the file type that you want to export it in. Click on the file type you want to export it in and click on export. This will then allow your invoice to be saved, and you can also share it using the share button and through the available options. You can save it to the files, and this is how you can easily make invoices through your iPhone.